Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Warehouse Plus. In this tutorial, we will be going through a step-by-step guide on how to use the low inventory stock feature. This Warehouse Plus feature lets you set your parameters related to stock levels to look at the stock in your inventory. You can find the low inventory stock feature underneath the stock icon. With the low inventory stock feature, you are able to set parameters and search for items that have a stock level that correlates with your parameters. For example, on the screen right now, we have searched for items that have a stock level of less than or equal to 5, and it shows us all the stock we have that has a stock level that is either 5 or less. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below or give us an email, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.